Walter was supposed to meet us here, but he got stuck on the way, so we're gonna go rescue him. See what happens. Hopefully we can get him out easy. Alright guys, let's see how this mic sounds. Hopefully the lake is frozen. It looks like people have been out here. Where are we going? I have no idea where we're going. Oh, he forgot how to ride a sled. It's his first ride of the year. It'll be alright, and I'm hoping you guys can't hear me breathing the whole time, because I would not be a fan of that. There we go. There he is. There you go. I realized I lost my gas cap when I got sprayed with gas. And then they both ran it over and didn't pick it up. We found it though. Still standing up all right. Oh, there's trees. He really likes the trees. What happened? Tippy? I bet. There you go. This. What? you definitely jumped a rock. Ah! So tippy. We got Tyler and Matt now. We're going to meet up with my stepbrother Ryan, ripping the power lines a little bit, then maybe head down, go do some ditch banging. These power lines are kind of clapped out, but stepbrother's only gonna be riding with us for like an hour, so we're just gonna ride somewhere close for a little bit. I checked on the audio and it sounds like you can hear me fairly decent. I didn't watch it too in depth. I hope you guys can hear me breathing the whole time, but it seems like you can hear the sled pretty good too, so hopefully it works out. Hopefully it was worth the money for this mic setup. Now I just put my on the pickle. I don't think I've mentioned it yet, but me, Matt, Tyler, and Nico are going to, I think, Island Park, Idaho. Let's see, it's the 1st today. Happy New Year's, by the way, guys. We're heading out on the 13th, Friday the 13th after work. We're going to spend a little over a week there. Fucking just giving her. Ah. God, that fucking 3-inch throws so much snow. I'm like 20 feet away and I'm still getting pelted. Yeah, we're going out to Island Park. I've never been out to mountains. Everyone else in the group has, but where the hell are they? So yeah, that should be a fun trip. Make some good videos out of that, I think.
Oh, 1 minute. 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 1 min
ditch is kind of fun. That was really loud against that fence right there. Oh God, that's hard pack. Ah! Oh! I broke stuff again. This came out of there and the fucking lower's tweaked too. So yeah, love it. Love it, love it, love it. What are we doing, like 105? How much fast were we going, like 105? Oh no, that sounds so bad.
Stick it out his window.
I definitely thought we were getting big.